I'm Dan Raywood at Infosecurity Europe, here with Pratt, who is co-founder and executive vice president of products at Bromium. Ian's just stepped out of the business strategy theatre for a Rapture's audience, learning all about micro VMs. To the uninitiated, what's a micro VM and what Bromium offerings to the market?
So, our view is that endpoint security now is just in a horrible place. We rely on being able to, the primary means of defense is through detection. All the security products we have today are really trying to look at a given web page or document and try and decide whether it's good or bad in advance of opening it. Because as soon as you start to render the web page or open the document, as soon as the malware gets to execute, it's going to be able to disable all of the security products and to persistently and permanently protect the machine. And it's a horrible state of affairs that we're in right now. So we really think that we need to try something different. And that was the premise of what Bromium was founded a little over 3 years ago. And our approach is to actually protect via isolation rather than relying on detection. We don't have to decide whether something is good or bad. We just always isolate it.
So you isolate the operating system, the web browser, applications, email, those sort of things are in a separate VM.
Yeah, so the way that, if you think about a world in which you could unwrap a brand new laptop, use it for visiting one website and then toss it away. Get a brand new laptop, use it for viewing one document and then throw it away. In that world, you wouldn't care about malware, because if that document was malicious, you wouldn't care, because there were none of my other documents were on that system. There was nothing to steal, and then as soon as I finish with it and throw it away, I don't care that it's infected. I guess what we're trying to do using virtualization is to enable that in a more environmentally friendly fashion. So you're not having to throw away all those laptops. We're actually using micro VMs to actually run these different tasks. For every task you perform, you'll get a new micro VM. To do that, we're actually using these hardware capabilities that are built into every CPU that you've been able to buy for the last few years. And those CPU extensions were put there to enable server virtualization and cloud computing. And today nobody uses them on the client. But we're actually able to take advantage of their presence to actually provide this really robust, high-performance isolation between these different environments.
And to those who don't know their history, you were involved with the launch of the hypervisor and development originally.
So I go back a while now. I was an academic. I was a senior member of faculty at the University of Cambridge, and I started the Zen hypervisor project. Zen is the open source hypervisor, which really is at the core of Amazon EC2, which is used extensively by Google, Rackspace. All of these companies really rely on Zen as the core that enables their infrastructure as a service cloud computing. And we worked with all of the CPU vendors to get those extensions into the CPUs. And now at Bromium, rather than doing things on the server side and the cloud side, we're really looking at how that same technology can actually help make cloud systems endpoints more secure. And not just desktops and laptops. If you look at tablets and smartphones, those devices, which are often ARM-powered, now have the same kind of virtualization extensions built into them.
Yeah.
So we think this is going to be something which is pervasive across all devices over the next few years.
And is it available for mobiles at the moment?
Not today. We've been sort of focusing on on Windows and on desktop OSs, where the problem is bigger today. That's where it's on those systems that enterprises are storing their sensitive data, the top secret plans, and it's where all the credit card numbers and other private information which people want to steal is. It's not on the mobile devices. When people start using tablets, enterprises start using tablets for that, I'm sure we're going to see a lot more attacks on those devices. At that time, hopefully we'll be ready with a product to help people.
I think, like you said, the 0-day, which was recently disclosed for Internet Explorer, that wouldn't affect, obviously wouldn't affect mobiles generally, but also probably wouldn't really affect anything using Bromium.
Yeah, no, it was kind of funny actually. We had when the announcement was made a couple of days ago, we had a few customers contact us and say, "Are we okay?" I said, "Of course you're okay.